Hi everyone, कैसे हो आप लोग? And welcome to day 3 of Singapore. And yesterday we went to casino. अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी तो लास्ट वीडियो देखो. पूरा casino and Sentosa Island पे जो भी हमने किया, you'll be able to see it. And today we are going to the Universal Studios, and we again have to go to the Harbourfront station. Yesterday we took the cable car. अभी आज हम लेंगे मोस्टली शटल वहाँ से, जो कि अप्रॉक्स $1 में पड़ती है. And yeah, we are gonna do everything in Universal. Let's see. I'll try to cover as many rides as possible, and I'll give you some hacks what you can follow while coming to Universal Studios Singapore. So yeah, today it was quite rainy in the morning. It was raining in the morning, and अभी तो मौसम थोड़ा बेहतर हुआ है, देख सकते हो. So we are walking towards our metro station. Guys, ये कितना systematic बनाया है. That while deboarding the train, people who are deboarding have to come here. People who are boarding have to stand like this, so that there is no clash which is there. Like small things which make big differences. Our Indian authorities can also learn something from this. So guys, we are outside Vivo City Mall. Yesterday, as I mentioned, that हम लोग केबल कार से गए थे सेंटोसा आइलैंड पे, and now we have decided to go via bus, and the bus fare is approximately $1, and this is the cheapest way you can get to Sentosa. All you have to do is come to the Harbourfront station. Harbourfront station MRT, as you exit, come 2 floors above Vivo City Mall, and there is an exit which is there. Just outside that exit, the exit is this somewhere. You come here, and this is the bus stop. The bus will arrive at any minute, and in $1 you can reach to Sentosa Island. And yeah, that's the quickest and the cheapest way where you can be. So you can see Singapore roads कितने मस्त और साफ है. आप देख सकते हो, अच्छी गाड़ी, अच्छी रोड्स. भाई गाड़ी पे एक स्क्रैच नहीं है इधर. कोई भी आप गाड़ी देखो और सब साफ एकदम चकाचक. Like outstanding how clean this country is, despite of being an Asian. Not demeaning Asians, but like Asian countries, if you go and see, like it's fantastic. ये आ गई हमारी बस RWS 8, छूटेगा to the Sentosa Island. चलो let's go. जी लो, हम पहुंच गए सेंटोसा आइलैंड स्टेशन पे. एंड ये क्यों किसके जैसे बोला मैंने?
ये अपना वेरी फेमस इंडियन बैकपैकर अनमोल.
लो जी लो. ओ भाई साहब, सोहन ये तो देखो.
ये
हम लोग कल गए थे हैरी पॉटर. इट्स 11:25 राइट नाउ. वी आर लिटिल लेट. ठीक है, आप आइसक्रीम भी खा सकते हो यहाँ पे आए हो तो. आइसक्रीम आई गेस आप काफ़ी कुछ खा सकते हो, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मोस्ट ऑफ द आइसक्रीम्स आर विद एग हियर. सो इफ़ यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन, डू चेक द लेबल्स एंड आस्क people who are serving the ice cream whether if you're not clear. Look at this guys, the famous Universal globe sign.
यहाँ पे ये
yeah, कर दे.
ये ट्रिप का फर्स्ट है सर के.
ए धीरज, इसको फोटो दिखाओ. फोटो खिंचा लिए इसके पास. नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द एंट्री एंड यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज सिंगापुर. इफ यू सी, मैं किसी फोटो के बीच में आना था. आई गेस थोड़ी ड्रिजल हो रही है, बट आई गेस इट शुड बी फाइन. इट्स क्लाउडी. लेट्स सी, वी कैन नॉट हैव कंट्रोल ओवर द वेदर, सो लेट्स नॉट स्वेट अबाउट इट. ये पूरी हॉलीवुड स्ट्रीट. I guess this is in Los Angeles, California. where every star has a celebrity's name written on it. Like for example, Sylvester Stallone. And this they made it like Los Angeles, if I'm not wrong, what I recollect. This is the Hollywood, the famous Hollywood sign that you would have seen. Universal Studios Singapore. If you see, you'll feel that you are in the United States only walking. Look at this guy. That's good sign when they're cleaning up. ये पहला रोलर कोस्टर दिख गया. ओ भाई साहब, मैं तो नहीं कर रहा ये मिनियंस का सोवेनियर शॉप है. काफ़ी क्यूट है, 100% रूडी ओवर प्राइस. Like once छोटू सा, this is for $16. So वो वैसे fans हैं मूवीज के, जिसको पसंद है. Of course you guys would find this worth it, but I've not seen it. So yeah, I remember in Lokai I love banana. Yeah, looks like ये कोई तो हम बेबी राइड में बैठ गए तो बेबी राइड मिली. या कि बच्चों की राइड में बैठ गए हम लोग.
नॉर्मल रोलर कोस्टर का 70 मिनट वेटिंग.
ठीक है, अपना हो जाएगा. इधर भी 30 मिनट वेटिंग दिखा रहा था नॉर्मल. Sashi, I don't think so it's a baby's ride. It's not a baby's ride.
No, this is good enough for you.
Yeah, these type of rides I don't mind. मेरी रोलर कोस्टर से बहुत फटती है. This type of ride is okay for me. ठीक है, अच्छा बनाया है ये. What?
It's your type of ride.
Yeah. ये देखो, सब 25 साल प्लस बच्चे लोग.
Let's twirl that pasta back to Earth. Yay, bird! So many heroes.
Guys, just one tip here. Unlock your phone. There is a Universal app which is there. It will exactly show you कि rides कौन सी and how much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. कितना वेटिंग है, so you can plan accordingly. So right now पहली राइड हम बैठी, वो तो बहुत ही okay लगी. It was for kids of course. But now we are heading to a second ride. Express pass is a must. हम लोगों ने देखा काफ़ी लोग जो नॉर्मल लेके बैठे उन्होंने लाइन में थे. तो अगर मैं नॉर्मल पास है तो राइड में बैठता ही नहीं. But let's go ahead. Let's keep you posted. Oh, Louis Pizza. We are definitely coming here, Sachi. ये नज़ारे देखो guys, बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. It feels that you are in sunset. Transformer, Starboy, Yankee Stadium. Now ride number 2, Transformer the ride. So we are going again to our express pass. भाई इन लोग बोल रही है राइड फास्ट राइड है. मैंने ऐसे ही साइन अप कर लिया. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट बी. देखते कैसे होता है. आई विल टेल यू.
कुछ भी होता है तो आप समझ जाना किस पे ब्लेम डालना है.
अभी मेरी शर्ट या तो क्लीन दिखेगी या
Stop, turn, spin, climb and drop.
ये 3D चश्मे मिलना is a good sign that it won't be a heavy ride. Because I guess it was a 4D experience or something like that. Let's see how is it. souvenir shop after every ride. Transformers का. This is Optimus Prime. Now it's time to rate ride number 2. I guess Transformer, it's a very good ride.
How much? Around 10 are we giving?
10 minutes I would give it 8.
I think I'll give it 8.59 because
Yeah.
I think the graphics was very good, the 48 effects were very good,
Yeah.
and I think it's a good warm up to the
and,
roller coaster.
and for someone like me who probably is too scared of getting into roller coasters, I guess it's much good, and plus it was indoors, so I liked it. Definitely must try. भाई मैं नहीं बैठ रहा हूँ उसमें 100%. चलो लेट्स गो रोलर कोस्टर कम ऑन. नहीं करना है भाई, किसको F1 ड्राइव करना है भाई. एक्सेलरेटर ऑल्सो आई एम नॉट डूइंग.
वो तो वो है,
घूमेगा ना मेरे तो उसमें और लग जाएंगे.
पर तू सीधा ही देखते रहे ना.
ये मैंने एक फ्रोजन सॉर्बे जैसा ले लिया. इन लोग तो गए हैं रोलर कोस्टर में. आई हैवंट गॉन. काफ़ी खतरनाक लग रहा है. ये देखो so definitely अगर आपको मोशन सिकनेस नहीं है, if you have kids with you, you can definitely come. must try. There are other rides also जिसमें अगर आपको मोशन सिकनेस है, and if you don't want to try the hard ones, after the video ends I will let you guys know which are the rides for you, so you can plan accordingly. This roller coaster is such a human.
I enjoyed it.
How much would you rate, Rushabh? You also 10 out of 10?
I would rate it 8.5.
7.5, 8.5. And why are you not giving marks full?
I want more.
So I guess we are gonna get more. Let's go, guys. ये धीरज इतना हरामी है. ये जो बंदा देख रहे हो आप, इसकी मजाक उड़ा रहा है. ये बोल रहा है इसने कितना पावड़ा खा के बैठा है कि इतना छोड़ रहा है. वो बहुत बास आ रही है गाइस. भाई मैं मर रहा हूँ इधर पास से गैस चेम्बर, और ये मुंह पे उसको बोल रहा है कि इसने पैंट में पतलून में संडास कर दिया. बोलो, ये बेचारे को मालूम भी नहीं है जो हमारे बाजू में है. दिस इज द व्यू योर गाइस. ये roller coaster called Cylon is the most dangerous roller coaster of Universal right now. ये ही roller coaster करके आए हमारे दोस्त. How was it, guys?
Amazing.
Super. This is one of the best roller coasters I have been to.
Was it tough?
Yeah, it is. For people who have motion sickness or who don't feel, it is. But the twist and turns, like, super.
So
Worth is 30 seconds of fun.
I don't think it's going to be worth for me. So people,
No, it's not.
people who are scared or have motion sickness, avoid it. But how much you would recommend out of 10?
9.5.
Oh, 11 and 9.5. 9.5 maybe because you are not feeling bad for after it.
No, I want more.
So guys, if you like it, definitely must try.
We got over very quickly.
See, this is the roller coaster that they are talking about. अभी आएगी इधर से. ये देखो, बाप रे, ये आई इधर से. Guys, do not try this at home. भाई इसमें 360 डिग्री भी है. We are at the Egypt World. हमारा Skyfi City पे we did everything. So not we, as in 4 of us combined. I skipped 2 rides, roller coaster. And now look at this, guys. You feel that you are in Egypt. So it's very nicely made. Yeah.
Come.
At this, guys. Guys, one thing imagine करने को, you know, करने जैसी बात है that हम लोग को ये कंस्ट्रक्शन देख के लगती है wow how beautiful they made it, but imagine like thousands of years before ancient Egyptians would have made, you know, kind of these structures, and that too without modern equipment. Fantastic, yeah. Okay, what skills, yeah, they would have had to, you know, carve out, to, you know, carry so much of weight. And so, guys, we just came out of that Mummy Egypt wala ride. I guess it's a must try for, you know, people who are scared of roller coasters. Like, it will give you another POV. Those are not as bad. It was bad, of course. But I would recommend 8 out of 10. I am proud of myself that I did it. And now we've come out and now we are going ahead. 15 minutes. Now it's time for the Jurassic World. We're gonna do that ride. I guess this is the ride I'm most excited about. There's a nice water splash that comes. We'll see. There's a nice water splash that comes, and it makes you quite fresh after this. And after the day is very hot still. So see the menu. This is a food court there, and we are going for the Jurassic Park ride. We are entering the Jurassic World. Let's look at this, guys. We just entered the Jurassic Park. There are multiple rides which are there. We are gonna start with Rapids Adventure.
There is some stores, but all the exhibits attractions are open to
ऐसे हमको wind cheaters are being given because it's a watery ride. Let's see how it goes. ये हमारे भाई को बहू मिल गई. एक बाजू सुबह को. Alright. Souvenir shop as usual. And now it's time for the ride. This thing. Then the ride Jurassic Park, I had high expectations, but it didn't live up to my expectations because it was just going round and round, and there was very average drop. So it was okay. I would rate it 5 out of 10. And see the business, like if you are wet, because it's a water ride, if you get wet, then you have to give 5 Singapore dollars to dry yourself, and it would leave hot air and you would be dry. But I don't think so. I don't think so. It's worth $5 to get automatically dried. Guys, so in Jurassic World, only one feedback. There is only one good ride or which is very average also according to me, which is decent enough. The other two, Canopy Flyer is also looking good, but there's no express. So until and unless you are, you want to wait in the long queues for your turn, you can do it. Canopy Flyer is nothing but probably another short roller coaster, basically, if you can see here. The roller coaster will go. It looks like a very mediocre this thing, so you can skip it. And another one was some dinosauring, which is a kids ride. So only 3 rides. ये हमने ले लिए popcorn to try it out. And ऐसे काफ़ी stores होते हैं जिसमें slush, juice, diet coke और popcorn आपको मिल जाएगा. And yeah, so this is our popcorn tub. It's for 13 Singapore dollars.
I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I forget you, I forget her. She was saying I'm sorry, and it's all about it. I don't really get you there. Yes, she's an expert in the monetary, but the way you're playing ain't fair. I'm busy the fool. Wasn't loving you.
Kachi? I hope they are without egg. ये ले ली है सोली एंड सॉफ्टी. स्ट्रॉ देखो मस्त मिलेगा. Time for our next ride. This I guess a 4D ride. It's very sunny now suddenly. Unfortunately, the previous ride was covered in Express Plus Pass and we didn't have that. So we are hopping on to another ride. So we just came out of this Enchanted Airways ride. It's a nice, again, small roller coaster. 9 on 10, must recommend. Must recommend. So now we are going for an indoor ride. I don't know which ride is this. It definitely feels better. It's Shrek, it's definitely much recommended in afternoon times when the sun is right outside and shining. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll try to show some visuals out of it. Sorry.
Talking during any part of this presentation is a wrong.
Looks like a smart crowd.
Yeah, really smart.
If they're that smart, what are they doing here?
What are we still doing in here?
Yeah.
Help! Help us! Get me out of here! I got much help, huh? Yeah. Hey, what are you people doing here? Get out before it's too late! They're not a very animated bunch, Ginger. Look at them. What are they waiting for?
Oh, this is torture. I'm out of here.
And what about us?
You know, I really feel crummy about this, guys, but every man for himself.
And what about all the women? And the children?
much. Oh, come on, Jake. Who needs a map when you got animal instinct? Come on, yeah.
This Shrek 4D show was quite okay. It's decent. You can see one time. It was too long, I feel. It was too long, and maybe I'm tired. And
I think they could do more with the effects in the seat movement and all that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a good show. Like after lunch or something, you need some cold, cozy environment to just watch something. I think this is a good place.
yeah, but now we are heading for lunch now. So this ride I would recommend 7 out of 10, just because it was indoor AC. But if you are expecting some great thrill or something, it's not that. So let's see. There's a line there. Come, let's see. So ये हम आ गए lunch करने को. This restaurant is based on Minions only. So we order one veggie burger with fries. Let's see how is it. But I don't know about the burger, but the view is damn good. You can see the roller coasters. You can see a water body here. And it's ये आ गया है हमारा बर्गर. जैसे बोला था व्यू तो मज़ेदार है ही. पर्पल कलर है यार, मस्त है ना?
बढ़िया है. Something new, something refreshing.
आई होप टेस्ट में भी मस्त हो. ये साथ में राइस आ गई एंड लेटिस भी इंडिया जैसी नहीं है, थोड़ी टेस्टी लग रही है ये.
Organic है.
I don't know which is the right number, but we've come in this ride called Puss or Puss in the Boots. I don't know कैसे pronounce करना है. So अब देखो भाई, एक्सप्रेस लाइन में इतनी ही लाइन है एंड दिस इज़ द रेगुलर लाइन. तो आप इजीली ऐसी सब राइड्स अगर 10 राइड भी करोगे तो 10 राइड में यू बी ईजिली सेविंग अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6 to 7 hours ऑफ योर्स. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. अगर आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं लोगे तो आपकी काफ़ी सारी राइड छूट सकती है, फिर बोर हो जाते हो एक टाइम के बाद इतनी गर्मी में. सो डेफिनेटली आई विल टेल एवरीवन के अगर थोड़ी ज़्यादा पैसे डाल के एक्सप्रेस ले लो, अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो ये पैसे बचाने मत जाओ अगर आपको इतना करना है. बट इफ़ यू हैव टाइट बजट है सो दिस इज़ माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. One thing about Universal that I felt was magical. It's not only the rides, but it's the ambience of the ambience that is beautiful. For example, for that one Egypt ride, the kind of Egypt infrastructure that they had built, it was too good. So
It makes you feel, it's an immersive experience.
I agree. So it kind of gives you a very, kind of involvement wala feeling that, you are involved somewhere rather than, just entering the ride. So it takes investment, but of course, at the same time, it's worth seeing and everything. So like, you won't enjoy or you won't even realize these things when you're seeing it. It's after when you sit and, kind of recollect what was so special about it.
I think it's the emotionalness that you have felt when you were here is something that you will take back.
Yeah.
Obviously photos and everything, but I think the feeling is something that people remember for 17 years. So
I agree.
Definitely a part of it.
So probably this is our third or fourth last ride. Iske baad then we'll click photos and we'll see the faces around and then probably
And we'll repeat the ride.
yeah, whatever people want to repeat the ride, we'll do that. So this is our day.
We are trying to get him in a roller coaster.
Let's see if my
That after scene would be very
let's see
fun to
अगर
watch.
इच्छा होगा तो चला भी जाऊँगा. So but आगे जाके को पता चलेगा कि मैं बैठा कि नहीं. ये हम आ गए आई गेस लुई पिज़्ज़ा ना, इन लोग के तो पिज़्ज़ा गाइस मस्त लग रहा है देखने में। तो और एक नाइट कोक मंगा ली, लेट्स सी कैसे होती है ये वो पिज़्ज़ा वाली शॉप थी लुईस पिज़्ज़ा। तो पिज़्ज़ा वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग गाइस, लाइक यू नो जिसको मार्गरीटा पिज़्ज़ा वैसे में बहुत पसंद आएगी। एंड ये पूरी स्ट्रीट इन लोग ने न्यूयॉर्क जैसी बना रखी है। ये देखो छोटे ऐसे यू नो पार्किंग मीटर्स वेर यू पार्क योर कार हियर समवेयर एंड देन यू नो यू हैव टू पे एज पर द मशीन, यू गेट अ टिकट, गाड़ी पे रखनी है। सो इसका पूरा न्यूयॉर्क जैसा बनाने का ट्राई किया है इन लोग ने। एंड लुक एट द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स फ्लैग इज ऑल्सो, एंड लेफ्ट साइड इज द हॉलीवुड फ्लैग, दैट इज द लॉस एंजलिस थिंग दैट दे मेड। सो धीरज ने ये खरीदा है, ये देखो क्या मस्त लग रही है गाइस, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसमें एक है तो मैं नहीं खा सकता हूँ। Time for our next ride, which is the lights, camera, action. So it's basically, it's not a ride, it's an experience. Let's see how it goes.
Alright, stand by everybody. Here we go. Lock it up. On the bell. Roll playback. Cue the sun. Cue the waves. Cue the thunder. Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
Live here in the Charlie News Buster, one of our reporters in Midtown, they said this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us? Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all windows and extinguish all flames. Repeat, extinguish all flames.
Everybody is urged to remain calm. The authorities have the situation under control.
That's a cut.
ये वही पुराने टाइप के शोज़ कैसे लगते थे वैसे उन्होंने डाला है टाइम। ये हम आ गए लॉस एंजलिस। ये देखो रात को कुछ ऐसा नज़ारा है, अच्छी सी लाइट्स लगा दी। लुक एट दिस मिलियन, वेरी गुड वाइब्स गाइस। हाय साची, रात को लाइट्स, लुक एट दिस। Nice. Look at this car. Pure vintage. इसी पीछे और एक है। योर यूनिवर्सल में जो भी देखने को था हमने आपको दिखाने का ट्राई कर दिया है। 2-3 राइड छूट गई बिकॉज टाइम नहीं था एंड पीपल वांटेड टू डिफरेंट थिंग, बट ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस हैज़ बीन अमेजिंग। एंड रात को भी अलग लाइट्स होता है, तो स्टे टिल डे एंड एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड इफ़ यू हैव वन फुल डे in Universal, you must come when you're in Singapore. So आगे जाके अभी देखते हैं रात का क्या सीन है, हम करेंगे I guess we'll go club hopping or bar hopping. I don't know what's the scene, हम जाके decide करेंगे. And right now this was it from the Sentosa, from the Universal Studios. आगे अगर कुछ शूटिंग करने को हुआ तो ये आगे के ब्लॉग में दिख जाएगा। ओवरऑल आई गेस देयर आर 5 to 6 rides which I can write down in my comment box below, which every whether you're scared of roller coasters or not, person can try that ride. And Express Pass, I guess if you have the capability to just spend it, it's worth every penny. So yeah, so this was our experience in Universal today. We showed you everything that we could. I hope you have a great day. मैं आपको कुछ बोलना चाहूँगा जो yesterday मेरे दोस्त के साथ हुआ। I guess so ही बोल सकता हूँ आपको। तो ऋषभ पूरा सिचुएशन एक्सप्लेन करोगे?
So हम कैसीनो जा रहे थे और लास्ट मेट्रो था, तो ये प्रॉनक और साची आगे थे, मैं और ये बिकॉज ये लेट था तो हम पीछे थे। तो हम भाग के पहुँचे स्टेशन पे और एक मेट्रो आया, तो हमें लगा वो ले लेना है तो कश्मकश में थे। तो मैं जाके एक बार अंदर गया, बाहर गया और मैं थोड़ा डोर के नज़दीक रहा। अभी सिंगापुर एकदम टेक्निकली साउंड और एकदम रूल अबाइडिंग सिटी है। सो जो स्टेशन मैनेजर था वो मेरे को बोला हट जाओ एंड वी डिडंट बोर्ड बिकॉज दीस गाइज वर इन द ट्रेन। आफ्टर दैट व्हेन वी वर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म, the guy came to me and said that this is not India, that you are standing in between. At that point I didn't see, it was my mistake, I didn't feel bad that he was telling me, but when he went
on my country,
went on my country, I had the urge of
giving it
back and abusing. But the thing was, it was the last MRT and I don't want any more fines because fines are very strict in Singapore.
Yeah.
But yeah,
so इधर भी रेसिज्म एक काइंड ऑफ होता ही है, अगर आप देखो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इधर ही होता, बट प्रॉब्लम हमारी भी है भाई, हम लोग ने काम बहुत खराब करके रखी है।
I think we are so used to jugaad and quick fixes and everything in India, because that only gets our way through, that we try to do it everywhere and it does not work. Yeah. I think rules work over here, not jugaad.
So yeah, so please आप किधर भी foreign जाओ, big request है कि kind of like थोड़ा sensibly and you are representing the country. So ऋषभ जैसा मत करना कभी। हमको लगी है भूख और अब हम जा रहे हैं सरवाना भवन। देखा नारियल पानी बहुत बड़ा आता है, तो हम आ गए हैं सरवाना भवन। यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज़ में पूरा दिन वॉक के अपना धीरज सेठ को भूख लग गई तो हम आ गए हैं डोसा साउथ इंडियन खाना. Don't tell. So guys, we just decided we are not going anywhere out tonight. We'll give our legs some rest. हमने लास्ट 3 दिन में almost 56,000 steps walk किए हैं and my friends are very tired. This is day 3 from Singapore. Signing off. तब तक के लिए